Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Get this freaking mic on. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about the ins and outs of 2024. I never stare into the camera lens. Why is it so creepy? First in of 2024, shutting up. I always think this, how I want to stop talking. These have to do with fashion, just give me a minute. But I always think how I want to stop talking, how I want all my videos to just have background music and me playing dress up. I just don't like talking about what I'm doing, what I've been up to. I just filmed a whole Q&A, but I had to drink a Red Bull before to get talking. I have to drink so much caffeine to start talking to the camera, or I will just sit here like a dead fish and not say anything. So what does this have to do with fashion? I would love to stop talking about what trends I think are in, what trends I think are out, color I'm gonna be wearing, what color you should be wearing. Every time I see one of those videos on TikTok, I want to launch myself off a cliff. And I'm just as bad. I literally talk about that stuff all the time. So I'd love to stop doing these, those kind of videos. People like them, which I need to break away from norms. And if I want those kind of videos to stop, I've got to stop myself. So shutting up. But what I more so mean by this is stop justifying your purchases. Stop justifying why you want to wear a tutu out in public. Stop justifying why you want to buy a red purse instead of a black purse. And I don't mean to yourself, but I kind of do mean to yourself. This doesn't mean just buy crazy all you want all the time, but it's this justifying that you know you're gonna have to make to somebody else. If somebody is looking at your outfit and is like, I can't believe you're wearing no, somebody's looking at your outfit and is like, aren't you cold in that dress? Don't think of how you have to justify to them that you aren't cold in your dress in 55-degree weather with a jacket on and you just have a bare knee showing. Just say no. I love it. Same with comments. If you get a negative comment or if you see negative comments online, just don't say anything. There's something so beautiful not talking. Okay, I hope nobody takes that one so wrong. I mean it so wholeheartedly. And the way I just had to talk for 3 minutes straight to say that, I would love to not talk for a year or for a month. I talk so much at home, to a baby, it's crazy. Next, 2024 in dressing stupid. I have been just so into I want to put pictures, camp, you think you're doing too much, just keep doing more. Whether that's you're wearing a little dress with fruits on it and you want to carry a Birkin basket. You're the Birkin basket makes it look a little bit too much like I'm going to a picnic. And then you also want to wear a little red ballet flat. But you're this really looks like I'm going to a picnic, like a French picnic. And then you're well, I'm going to add a beret too. And you're oh my God, I really look like I'm going to a French picnic. I need to change something out. Put on banana earrings. Add a gingham scarf to your Birkin basket. Just go that extra mile. Just keep going. Dress stupid. It ends up looking so much more fashionable than I'm wearing a little fruit dress, but I want to tone it down with a pair of Sambas. That's something I would so do. No, don't be like me. I want to dress stupid. I would never pair banana earrings with anything, but now I want a pair of banana earrings. I literally want earrings with big fake flowers on them. I want a necklace. I can't think of anything. This goes in the same way. Fashion in being too much. I love it. I used to watch Jenna Marbles religiously when I was younger, obviously. She doesn't post anymore, but she used to always say her too much gene. We all need a too much gene and we all need our too much gene showing. I feel dressing too much just goes kind of with dressing the girls. Do I even have to explain it? Being too much. You know what's an easy being too much? My friend Katie, I know she loves these glasses. These glasses are a definition of being too much. What are you doing with those big glasses on? You're being too much. Do your glasses have to be this big? Absolutely not. And that's just an easy way of doing it. You know what I mean though, go all out. Fashion in. It's funny because I said shutting up. The next one is thinking. Fashion in of 2024, thinking. Let's use our brains. Before you're gonna buy something, you don't have to justify it to anybody, but think about how you're gonna style it, where you're gonna wear it, is it comfy, and are you comfortable in it? When I think of how will I style it, I think of pieces that are in my wardrobe, and I think I can style it with my cheetah pants and my Sambas and my Birkin basket, or I can style it with my little pleated dress and my ballet flats. I literally go through that, and I will go through every single one till I have at least 5. And if I have 5 that I can quickly come up with, and I know I'm pretty good and can get a lot more out of it. But if I am struggling to think of outfits with it, can't get it. It won't go in your wardrobe. Unless it's a event piece, that's different. But if you plan on wearing it day to day, you gotta think of how you're gonna style it. Where you're gonna wear it. Can you wear it to the grocery store if styled correctly? Can you wear it on a walk if styled correctly? Can you wear it, what do people do, to work if styled correctly? Can you wear it to pick up your daughter from school if styled correctly? Are you comfy in it? Are you gonna be tugging at the buttons all night? Are you gonna be able to sit down? Are you gonna be able to stand up? Are you gonna be able to walk? Are you gonna be blah, 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 blah? And then are you comfortable in it? Are you gonna go like this all night? Are you gonna never take your jacket off? Are you going to think you look too tall and slouch over? Funny I said that. The last in of 2024 is good posture. It makes every outfit look better. Okay, we're getting into the outs of 2024. 2024 out is hiding your flaws. I talked about this in my makeup tutorial. I have always been so insecure. Okay, not always because I'm not anymore, but I used to be so insecure about the size of my forehead, my hairline, and my eyebrows. My hairline, I have a widow's peak, and I would always try and part my hair or like comb my hair where you wouldn't see my widow's peak. I would always like pull the baby hairs down because my hairline goes very far back. You can't see it for once in like this kind, but you can still see my widow's peak. My forehead is just big. There's really no hiding that. Besides like bangs, I literally got bangs to hide my big forehead. And then my eyebrows, I used to fill them in a lot thicker. So my forehead looks smaller and they go pretty, they're not filled in at all. They go pretty sparse at the ends. And I literally got them tattooed. They're like gone now. But all these things that made me look honestly weird because you could just tell that I was like hiding something. I used to fill in my hairline with, you know, like colored eyeshadow or whatever. And it never looked good. I always just looked honestly bad. And now just not filling in my eyebrows, not caring about how my hair is parted, showing off my big bombastic forehead. It just looks better. I don't know. I'm so sick of everybody trying to look the same. Like this veneers trend is crazy that everybody's getting veneers. I love people's teeth looking a little bit different. Brandon never got braces and his teeth are not perfectly straight. And I think they're honestly one of the cutest things about him. I got Invisalign and I kind of regret it. It makes my smile look so much more old. Like I used to look a lot more youthful with my tiny smile. Not tiny, but I don't know. Just like embrace these things that are different about you because somebody is gonna be obsessed with them and love them. And I just think like now having a daughter, I don't wanna ever have her think that I'm trying to hide something that maybe she has. Maybe one day she's gonna have my thin eyebrows or my hairline and I don't want her to think that she has to cover it and not embrace it. So out, copying, stop copying. Anybody. Stop copying the models on Sandy Liang's website and how they style the pieces. I was just trying to think of something that wasn't like Zara. Stop copying the influencers you see. Stop copying me. Not for the reasons you think, not because I care if you're copying my outfits. An outfit will never be as good or never give that oomph or that good feeling as if you take inspiration from something. 1000% you can watch my videos and watch the outfits that I come up with and take inspo from them because that's literally the whole reason I make them. But don't try and purchase the exact pieces that I have on, you know, every single one. I get picking out like one or two pieces that I have on, but if you try and buy an entire outfit that somebody's wearing, also that's like pretty much impossible because I wear so many thrifted pieces. It's just never gonna look the same and literally you're just never gonna feel, it's not gonna give the same effect, I promise you, as like taking inspo from the silhouette, from the colors, from the clothing type, from the textures. And I know you guys are capable of doing it because if you aren't joined our Discord, you guys post like your outfit of the days and so many of your guys' outfits are way better than mine. And I get inspo from you guys for sure, but I would never try to copy your outfits because they just won't look as good. So don't copy, take inspiration. Dressing only for a picture. I know people don't really normally do this, normal people, it's more like an influencer thing. Maybe if you're trying to be, if you want to take up influencing or social media or those kind of things. I think a really good way to cultivate a following is to be realistic and to not put on like an outfit and have 7 more in your car and go around and take pictures. I used to do this and the outfits I would plan were things I would never ever wear in real life. Those pictures wouldn't perform as well as when every morning I just take a picture, like a mirror selfie, basically documenting what I'm wearing that day, put them all together, post it. People eat that ish up and I do too because it's real inspo. Get dressed and then have your photo taken or take your picture. It doesn't have to be a mirror selfie or a million pictures all in one, but I promise you that it will do a lot better online. People will notice it. It looks more real and I don't know, it's just cooler. Like making Instagram, what was that hashtag? Make Instagram casual again? casual Instagram, I'm for that. Next thing that I think is out is thinking about your outfit once you're out. I know that this is so hard, but once you have that outfit on, you're walking out the door, stop thinking about it. Don't think, I should have worn my blue shoes and not my black shoes. I should have worn this bag and not that bag. I should have covered up more. I should have worn another jacket. I should have blah, 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 blah. Because I do that. And then I'm just thinking about my outfit for way too long. I already thought about my outfit for like days before I go to an event because I'm excited and I like to get dressed. But once you're out, just like enjoy what you're doing. Don't think about your outfit. Easier said than done, but we can make a mental note of it, of like, every time you start thinking about like, I should have worn this dress, not that dress. I should have wore pants, not this. Tune it out. Last one, out. PJs all day or athleisure. My PJs are just like sweatpants, so get dressed. Get out of your PJs every day. That's my goal for 2024. I almost said 2021. I'm gonna do better. But that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Let me know your ins and outs of 2024 because I think it's really fun and goofy. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.